packs fucking changing and they're missing or I got a different
Team match. Let's go.
Your skin, like you said, you were downloading your skin. So have you downloaded everything fully?
The blue team has scored for
you still have
the
the
first
bomb?
time.
I just finished tonight. And
Enemies down.
Could be, yeah, but I also say this, but you still have the phone, like tomorrow. Just go to your backpack, go to your inventory, and all your skins, just go through it. Because maybe this didn't fully download for some reason. Yeah, that should fix it, because it will fix all the skins you have. For sure. It'll do the skins that you have.
Expired.
Thank you. I was out, boys.
Cover
Oh,
me.
fuck. No. Yeah, I know. Fuck you, that.
Reloading.
Killing spree for the blue team.
Clear.
What the fuck was you doing? What the hell? Hey, bitch!
I took that
Don't
side.
no looting in my department. Fuck out of here.
Oh, big shot. Oh, yeah, Benjamin.
Killing spree for the blue. The blue team is
How
unstoppable.
the fuck did I survive that? I should be dead.
Killing spree for the blue team. The blue team is in the lead.
Kill.
He's a phony.
Clear.
Killing spree for the blue team. The blue team is unstoppable.
Reloading.
Oh. Yeah, that guy is down. Bro, by the way.
Target down. Clear. Woohoo. Cover me.
Alright, I'm on my shit right now. Oh my god.
Just you must.
Enemy down.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That's actually crazy.
Yeah, fucking do see
Dead.
that coming.
Reloading.
No.
I act like I played that. I fucking played too. Yeah.
No mercy. Kill. Cover me. Great. You're about to win.
The blue team is about to
What
win.
the fuck? Okay.
That's some bullshit.
Oh.
Clear.
No. Why the Uzi, man? Why?
Blue team victory.
Da 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 da.
Bro,
da,
put away the
da,
Uzi, bro.
da.
I'm not
Sniper
that
stuff.
skilled to go against it. Please. Relax. God, dude, the Uzi's just
I know,
one of the
right?
Guns, dude. Fuck. Against a shotgun?
It always beats a shotgun, dude.
God, it's not that serious.
All the tap. It's the same with the Pokemon world. Always double tap.
Yes, I got a kill. Fuck yeah. Oh, that's bullshit.
The guy high in the fucking backpack.
Wow,
come
that
on.
was stupid.
Killing
Bro, I'm
spree
getting
for
so
the red
unlucky
team.
with this guy.
Killing.
Kill.
Oh, I didn't shoot. What?
Nice.
Fucking Grosso is the bomb. I'm dead. Oh, did I survive that?
Holy
Expired.
fuck, I'm alive. That guy sucks.
Holy fuck. I just died. I ripped like all my shots besides one.
Dead.
Dead.
Fuck. Fuck. Shit.
Reloading.
Dude, I'm getting so unlucky.
The red team is up.
Kill. Cover me.
Okay, you gotta watch that right now.
The red team is in the lead.
Target down. Reloading. Clear.
Yes.
No, I can't be it. I don't know how I can be that, but he got all the headshots. I'm getting my ass kicked. Oh, just not.
Dead. Cover me.
Oh, you're using the ARC? I would use my ARC in that ARC. I do not want to use
I need RP kills.
Killing spree
Yeah, I
for
know.
the
I've been using
blue
this all these
team.
massives.
Oh, that's fire.
Oh, they suck.
I was like, no.
Yeah. There's a reason why we released this because I usually hog. I'm not doing
No,
heavy
fuck.
damage
Nice.
here. I'm just dying.
Jeez, they're really doing bad today.
I only could kill one before I died.
Oh, you gotta be
I
fucking
still am recovering it. It is closer than it should be, you know?
No, we're good. We're good.
Expired.
Damn it. I guess low.
Oh, you guys got the guy. I was fucking trying to build that one.
Ah, fuck. Yo, Slick, you gotta push up
The
more.
red team doesn't have a lot of time left.
nice.
Cover me. Reloading.
Nice.
Alright, 2 more kills.
Cover me. Expired. Blue team
There
victory.
it is. Good job.
Alright, nice job.